You've seen the image 1,000 times. A muscular man, a massive mammoth, a spear. It's in every textbook, every museum, every prehistoric movie ever made. There's just one problem. It almost never happened. And what ancient humans actually ate every single day is so strange, so specific, and so different from that image, that it changes everything you think you know about where you came from. Here's why the mammoth story took over. Archaeologists kept finding mammoth bones at ancient human campsites. Bones with cut marks. Bones that had been smashed open for marrow. So the conclusion seemed obvious. Humans hunted mammoths. Humans ate mammoths. But here's what nobody asked for a long time. How did those mammoths die? A mammoth weighs 6 tons. It has tusks the length of a car. A hunting group of 10 people with wooden spears has almost no realistic way to take one down without losing half the group trying. When researchers looked closer at the bone evidence, a different picture emerged. Most of those mammoths were already dead when humans found them. Scavenged, not hunted. Humans didn't take down the mammoth. They waited for something else to kill it. Old age, disease, a rival predator, and then moved in to carve off what was left. Smart, efficient, completely unglamorous. And that was only a small part of what they ate. Studies of ancient human teeth, fossilized gut contents, and stable isotope analysis of bones now give us a surprisingly clear picture of what people were actually eating day to day. And the answer is almost everything. Underground storage organs first. Tubers, roots, bulbs, wild yams, wild onions, plants that store their energy underground. These were the foundation of the diet in most environments. Unglamorous, calorie-dense, available year-round. You didn't need to chase them. You just needed to know where to dig. Insects. Second. This is the one people don't want to hear. But the evidence is everywhere. Termites, grubs, beetle larvae, caterpillars. Gram for gram, insects have more protein than beef. They're easy to collect in large quantities. Multiple hunter-gatherer groups today still eat them regularly, not because they have no other options, but because they're genuinely good food. Eggs. Bird eggs, reptile eggs, collected seasonally whenever nests could be found. Easy calories, no hunting required. Small animals. Rabbits, lizards, frogs, tortoises, rodents. Anything catchable. These made up far more of the diet than large game did in most regions. Fish and shellfish wherever water was nearby. Some of the oldest known human settlements are coastal, specifically because the sea provided reliable, predictable food. Shellfish middens, ancient rubbish heaps of discarded shells, at sites in South Africa show continuous occupation for tens of thousands of years. The sea was a supermarket that never closed. And fruit, berries, nuts, seeds, foraged constantly, eaten fresh or stored. Large game like deer or bison. Yes, occasionally. A successful hunt was celebrated precisely because it was rare and required enormous effort and coordination. Mammoth? Almost never. And usually already dead when they got to it. Here's the part that should genuinely unsettle you. This varied, opportunistic, plant and insect-heavy diet that ancient humans ate for 300,000 years? Nutritionally, it was better than what most modern humans eat today. When agriculture arrived 10,000 years ago and humans switched to grain-heavy diets, the skeletal record shows an immediate decline in health. Shorter stature, weaker bones, tooth decay appearing for the first time at scale. Ancient humans eating roots and grubs had stronger teeth, denser bones, and more complete nutrition than the farmers who came after them. The mammoth hunter image isn't just wrong, it's almost the opposite of the truth. So why does the mammoth story persist? Because it's a better story. A man killing a mammoth sounds heroic. A man carefully digging up tubers for 3 hours, then eating a handful of termites for protein, then waiting 2 days near a riverbank hoping to catch a tortoise. That's the real story. And that real story built the brain you're using right now to watch this video. Every craving, every food preference, every reason you'll eat something weird if you're hungry enough. All of it is wired by 300,000 years of eating whatever was there. You're not descended from mammoth hunters. You're descended from the people who were smart enough to eat anything. And that's exactly why you're here.